Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Telangana NEET 2021 domicile rule in Telangana and what is domicile certificate and who is eligible for domicile certificate. Before going to start the video, I would like to tell the students, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. I would like to inform the students the NEET cutoff for 2021 for each college of government and private college, and for category wise that is given in the description. You can check the video, which is very important video that is very helpful to check the NEET cutoff and expected cutoff, and through that each college I have given the category wise cutoff that is very helpful for the students to go for the counseling. Let us see domicile rule in Telangana and what is domicile certificate. Most of the students, they are asking me a question, sir, what is domicile certificate? Do we require domicile certificate or not? I would like to tell the student in a brief explanation. Domicile certificate it is required for both those students who did their 12th standard in Telangana, but their schooling was not done in Telangana or outside of Telangana. Or mostly the domicile certificate, what is the meaning of domicile certificate is that is a residence proof certificate. You can also call it residential certificate. This certificate shows why this certificate is required in NEET 2021. The reason is 85% state seats, that we know that 85% state seats are reserved for the local candidate of Telangana. To know whether these students, those who are coming for the counseling for state quota for 85%, whether they are the people those who belong to the state or not, to show that we require a domicile certificate. For example, a student who did his schooling in Telangana and he did his intermediate in Telangana, for those candidates there is no requirement of domicile certificate. Why? Because he already proved his residency. As we know that 4 consecutive years any student studying in a particular state, he is considered as local. But some students, they did their school, they are from Telangana, their parents are from Telangana, due to some reason they completed their studies outside of Telangana. So for that reason they have to submit their domicile certificate to prove their residency. Let us see brief about that in a document. NEET Telangana Domicile Rule 2021. The admission for MBBS BDS for state quota is divided for local and non-local candidate. As per Telangana NEET admission, the local status is into Usmania University, Andhra University, Sri Venkateshwara University. AU local area includes 7 districts while 5 districts in SVU. The non-local candidates are eligible for 15% unreserved seats only. Local candidates are eligible for both 15% unreserved seat and 85% local area seats. Telangana local area candidate student from the following district of AU, SVU or AU are considered as local area need domicile 2021 for admission or for MBBS and BDS admission to a local area institute and to other institution which is under the control of state government and is situated in this local area. AU local area Srikakulam. So these are the areas which are given: Visakhapatnam, Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham. These are for AU area. OU Adilabad, Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Karimnagar, Khammam, Mehbubnagar, Medak, SVU, Anantapur, Kadapa, all these districts are belongs. So AU, these areas will come. For OU, these areas SVUs. So these are local areas in which the student studied, he considered as local of this Telangana. Need domicile criteria for Telangana. If they studied in a school or college in a local area for a period of 4 consecutive years immediately preceding the year they appear for relevant qualifying examination. If they have resided in the local area for a minimum period of 4 consecutive years immediately preceding the year they appear for relevant qualifying examination, These are the criteria, very important criteria. A candidate who is not regarded as local candidate under the above criteria has studied in educational institution in the state for a minimum period of 7 consecutive academic year ending with the year they apply for NEET. The local area where they have studied for a minimum number of years out of said 7 years. The period of study in two local areas is equal. They have not studied in any they have not studied in any education institution in the state but have resided in local area or two area for equal time for minimum period of 7 consecutive year. These are the condition for the local candidates. So this is brief. I would like to tell the students, if you did your schooling, you passed your schooling in Telangana and you did your intermediate in Telangana, for this candidate domicile certificate is not required. For any candidate who did his schooling in other state and he did his intermediate in Telangana, for this candidate the domicile certificate is required. The student, those who studied in Telangana for whole their intermediate, no need of domicile certificate. Even if you want to take, you can take. It's very simple. You can go to the MRO office, you can get from there. And the student, those who studied outside of Telangana but they are the resident of Telangana, for them domicile certificate is compulsory. This is brief. For if you have any queries, you can write in our comments so that we will reply. Thanks for watching.